Hi, welcome to another edition of Level Up with Tech. Today we'll be talking about a question that I get asked a lot during my speaking events or maybe when I'm online having discussion in groups. And that's the question about as a business owner or a manager, how should I go about approaching my AI journey? And I have five very important things you need to think about for you to be successful in your AI journey. The first one is that you need to be strategic. When I say strategic, I mean that you need to have a clear plan of action of what it is you want to do with AI in your business, how it will impact your business, your profitability, your business model, your staff, your customer, and even how things get done within your organization. I'm not talking about using AI to just do graphics, write a letter. I'm talking about things that are much more deeper. Number two is that you need to have a broad view about the subject matter. That is, you need to read up, read magazines, read articles, go online and do your own research. That's number two, doing research. And I'm going to use a very good template you can use to guide yourself about how to go about your AI journey. I'll be drawing from an example of an article written by the CEO of Shopify, Toby Lutke, who said there are certain things that organizations need to do. There are about six of them. I'm not sure. No, let me just mention like two or three. The first thing he says that going forward, AI will be built into the KPI of staff, and everything have to do review. They'll be examined on how they use AI in their individual roles. Two, he also said that AI is top down. The leadership needs to be involved in it. Which brings me actually to the third topic, which is something I've already explained based on what it is that Tobeluk suggested in his article. By the way, if you want to check out the article, you can scan this QR code you'll be seeing on the screen or look out for the link to his article in this post. What is important is that you need to go through those six items and you'll be able to find out which one of them applies to your own business. Number four is that you need to allay fears around security, usage, thefts, conspiracy theory. These are standard questions. Would I lose my job? How would we relate to AI? What kind of information should we share with AI? You need to read up on all those things yourself. As a consultant, we actually help guide you through this journey. But the important thing is that you need to have some basic understanding of it. Interestingly, these questions that you have, or these fears you have about AI, can easily be answered by even your own chatbots. I'm talking about these LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, or even the Chinese one, DeepSeek. Just ask these questions and you get answers. Lastly, that's number five. Look for a use case that resonates with you and your business. And there are many of them out there. But I think one good feature of AI that all of us can agree that has very straight impact is what you call automation. Read up on it, and if you need to know more about it, you know how to find me. Thank you for listening to me. This is my short message today. And if this is your first time of watching this video, you can easily find me on YouTube. The links are there. And I look forward to talking to you. And bye for now. Cheers.